Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome everyone to today's video. Now this was an interesting one. This has been asked from me so many times in the comment sections and I finally got around to doing it. So today we are going to be reviewing my subscribers' theme pages. I'd also like to start out with a disclaimer that I'm not going to be ripping into these people, but this will be honest advice and reviews. If your page is terrible, I am going to say it's terrible. I'm sorry in advance.
Ooh, you're hard.
So now, if you're only just discovering one of my videos, my name is Ryan and I own a digital marketing agency called Mr. Media Agency. On the side, I also grow theme pages. But today, in my hand is my phone, as you can see. And today we are going to be going through all of your Instagram theme pages and reviewing them. So I'm not trying to slow this video down. So let's just get straight into it, guys. So the first page that we're going to be viewing seems like it's going to be a cat page. Username is Unicatx. Right. So 120,000 followers, that's pretty good. The bio, it's okay. It's okay. I think it could be better. Let's take a look through these posters, some examples. Get pretty good like ratios. That one's got 32,000 likes nearly. These posts are from a while ago, but nonetheless, let's keep going. Okay. So the like ratio is pretty good. They're looking at about a 20% like ratio. The views in their reels are very good as well. So overall, for the performance of the page, I would give this a 9.5 out of 10, but they're missing the 0.5 because of the bio and the profile picture. I don't think that's up to scratch. So for the bio, what I'll do is I'll format it a bit better with an emoji and then a slash and then a line layout. I'd also have a call to action. I'll also be drop shipping on this page. So I would have a Shopify store and I'll have a link to the Shopify store within my bio. Also a call to action in the bio itself, pointing down to the store link. But overall, I would give this a 9.5. This is a very, very, very good page. So now we're going to be moving on to the second theme page up for review. This one is a JDM page. You know how I love my JDM pages. So initially the bio, not ideal. There's a couple of capital letters there that shouldn't be there. But there's also should be a capital letters that should be there that aren't. It should be the emoji and then a line and then a sentence layout. That's how it should be, guys. Let's take a look at the content. 181 likes, 112 likes, 42 likes, 60 likes, 500 likes. Okay, 22,000 likes. That is more than the followers they've got. So the page does have potential to be going viral. So the performance of the page doesn't really matter a huge amount here because they are hitting the algorithm pretty hard. Okay, I think the logo could need some work. Maybe update that a little bit, something a bit more modern, but I don't think it's the worst. Okay, I am now going to give this page, let's give it a 7.5 out of 10. And I think that is being a little bit generous if I'm being honest. I would normally give this a 7. But as this is one of my subscribers, I'm going to give this a 7.5 and not be horrible. Okay, next up, we have now found our third theme page to review from one of my subscribers. Now this page is called Tourist in Thailand. So initial thoughts, this looks really, really, really good. The bio is perfect. Logo is very, very cool as well. They've even got a story up in place with a call to action. Brilliant. This is a 10 out of 10 so far. Let's see how many likes they're getting. Okay, and here's the problem. They're not getting as many likes as they should be. They're posting a bit infrequently. Wow, we've just took a jump from 5 days ago all the way to November 2022. Today is January 9th, guys. Wow. But they have got some highlights going on here, which is pretty cool. We've got a highlight of their growth. Don't have anything against that. Okay. I think design-wise, this has got to be a 10, but because they're not posting as frequently as they should be, I'm going to give this one a 9.6, guys. This is ahead of first place now, so this guy, first place. Okay, guys, so the fourth page we are now going to go ahead and review is called Broken Deed. I can see already that this is a kind of different theme page to what I'm used to seeing. This looks more like a quote one, which do pretty well nowadays. They've got 50.6k followers. That is a decent amount of followers. Posting frequently, averaging about 1,500 likes it looks like, with some of them doing pretty well. Okay, so the style of post they're doing is this more nostalgic, quotes, motivational type thing. I think this sort of stuff does really well on Instagram. If you're looking to start a new page, this is where it's at the moment, as well as on TikTok. The bio is a bit strange. I wouldn't do this conventionally on a theme page. I'm gonna have to rate this one a 7, just simply because this is so out of the blue and not like any other theme pages. This is slightly different. Performance wise, this is looking like an 8 out of 10. So I'm going to slap it in the middle and give it a 7.5. Okay, so the 5th and final theme page that we're going to review today for my subscribers is Drumwell Police, the Iron View. Okay, so this page initially, to start with, I see they've got a logo. Doesn't stand out too much, so I might change that for even the text. Go onto Canva, put an effect on it, which makes it lift, and you'll be able to see that so much more clearly and looks so much better. But I like the design behind it. The bio itself is pretty good, I would say. So there's no need to change that. So let's take a look at the posts. The quality is good. This page is quite old, by the way. This is about a year old. 90 likes, 37 likes, 36, 43. Okay. So they're not averaging great likes. They were posting pretty frequently, and they do well on some posts. This one's got over 600 likes, so clearly they were doing well at some point and then fell off a little bit. Perhaps a shadow ban could have happened here, who knows. But let's take a look through the views on the reels. Yes, it wasn't terrible at one point, but it's also never been consistently great. Things I would do to improve here is to get back into the page, start reposting reels, some viral ones, go and see what's doing really well for other people and repost it yourself. That's my main bit of advice. But other than that, I don't think there was much more they could have done here except change the logo. I think they're doing everything else right. It also seems they're using a follow technique because they're following 5,178 people, which is a lot compared to the follower amount they've got. So clearly they were doing some sort of following technique, which is good. I do rate that, but I'm going to rate this one an 8 out of 10. Okay guys, it is now the end of today's video. If you would like to see a second episode of reviewing people's theme pages, put your app down below, watch your theme page, let me know, and I'll go ahead and review it and do a part 2. But if you're not already subscribed and you like this kind of content, then please go down below, smash the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and also like this video. And even if you don't want to get your page reviewed, go down below and comment me some video ideas. I always need video ideas. It does help me a lot. Go down below and do that. But other than that, I'm going to let you guys get on with your day, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye bye.